Hi everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you Icon of the Seas DAX plans. So, watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. If you have not yet, press notification bell so that you never miss another upcoming upload from us. Okay, first of all, open up a web browser of your choice and type in www.cruisemapper.com/dacplans/icon of the seas 2110 and press enter on your keyboard. After pressing enter on your keyboard, as you can see, this is our official web page. You can scroll down this web page to investigate this web page. As you can see, there's a lot of DAX over here. You can investigate all DAX over here. Let's scroll up. As you can see, there is 21 DAX over here. Let's choose one of them. I'm going to choose DAC 14. As you can see, this is DAC 14 map. You can investigate this map. As you can see, Royal Loft Suite, Icon Loft Suite, Owner Suite, Grand Suite, Panoramic Suite. Let's scroll down. Central Park Balcony, Surfside Family Balcony, Family Infinity Balcony, Panoramic Ocean View, Just Ocean View, Interior Plus, Interior, Spacious Interior. As you can see, there's a lot of rooms over here and room numbers over here. You can investigate all these room numbers and you can choose whatever you want. Let's get back to our page. Icon of the Seas is Royal Caribbean's first Icon class cruise ship, to be followed by three same design sister ship, Star of the Seas, TBN 3 of the Seas, and TBN 4 of the Seas. Icon OTC is also the world's ever largest passenger ship by volume, or 6% bigger than Wonder OTC. Like Royal Caribbean's ships in Oasis and Oasis Plus classes, the Icon ships are zoned in neighborhoods named Aquadome, Central Park, Chill Island, Thrill Island, Royal Promenade, The Hideaway, Surfside, and Suite Neighborhood. Besides the 22x lift destination elevators and all staircases and escalator interconnect decks 2, 4, 5, and indoor staircase directly connects three neighborhoods: Royal Promenade, Surfside, and Central Park. Destination elevators allow passengers to more efficiently move between decks for reduced crowding and better passenger flow. In front of the lifts, there are digital panels to select which deck to go and which lift to take. Inside the elevators, there are no panels buttons to push, meaning fewer stops on every floor. RCI's Icon class ships have 40 plus FMB concepts and 26 Fleet First features amenities technologies. Each of these liners has 7 swimming pools, 9 outdoor jacuzzis, and the fleet's largest water park. As you can see, there's a lot of YouTube videos over here. You can collect one of them and you can investigate it. That's it. That is how it can be easily done. I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.